So, you're thinking about switching to Qonto, huh? Good choice. But hold on a second. Have you ever wondered where in the world you can actually use this fancy new bank account? I mean, it's all well and good having a sleek app and promising Cloud9 financial management, but if you can't use it where you live or do business, it's kind of like owning a Ferrari and never leaving your driveway. Let's clear the air. Qonto isn't just some fly-by-night digital bank that's only available in a handful of places. They've got a bit more ambition than that. But how much ambition? That's what we're here to find out. First things first, let's talk about the big players. France, Germany, Italy, and Spain, these are Qonto's home turf. They've got a strong presence in these countries, offering a range of services tailored to the needs of local businesses. If you're based in any of these European powerhouses, you're in luck. Qonto is ready to be your financial sidekick. But what about the rest of Europe? Well, Qonto is making moves. While they might not have physical branches everywhere, their digital platform is designed to be borderless. So, if you're a freelancer or small business owner operating across multiple European countries, there's a good chance Qonto can cater to your needs. Now, let's talk about the big question: is Qonto available outside of Europe? This is where things get a bit trickier. As of now, Qonto's primary focus is on the European market. They've got their hands full building a strong foundation there before expanding their horizons. But who knows? With the way fintech is evolving, we might see Qonto making waves in other continents sooner rather than later. So, to sum it up, Qonto is primarily a European bank with a strong presence in France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. While they're expanding their reach across the continent, don't expect to find Qonto branches in Australia or South America just yet. But hey, this isn't the end of the story. The fintech world moves fast, and Qonto is definitely a player to watch. Keep an eye on their website and social media channels for updates on their expansion plans. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.